Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Mike Meyer from Mike Meyer Incorporated, and I wanted to let you guys know what's going on in the shop, specifically pertaining to a new Panhard Rod design. We haven't said much about it. However, I've been thinking about this for the last couple of years, and now is the time like any to progress. We've got a lot of orders for Panhard Rod kits, and it's one of our most popular products, but this thing definitely has a history. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of history on the progression of our Panhard Rod kits. Let's get into it, huh? So this design was really the first version of me personally becoming savvy to this. My dad was in the back laying up glass. Don't talk to me, kid. Just pay your bills. That was the scene. That was just work, and not much, let's just say, time to sit back and study what the heck we were doing. So I started thinking about how to do a new piece, and about that time, we got a plasma cutter. We still have that same plasma cutter today, and getting this new tool gave us a new way of thinking. And thinking differently allowed us to streamline, and having better tooling allowed us to create new designs that we couldn't have done before. And that's this design. This design I really started hammering down about 8 years ago. The purpose of this design was, it was a front plate, a back plate, sandwiching a bent sheet metal piece in the middle. And the purpose of this was, I as an employer could ask my employee to make these while I tried to be more attentive to the numbers. And that was way more laser focused to make sure that we were making enough money on every part that we can afford to reproduce it. With all that being said, the old tubing was cool, but it was so much handwork, a lot of the dollars and cents got lost in the hours. And this one might have taken 15 minutes, that one might have taken an hour and a half, just depends on how it was cut and notched. Where this was very repeatable and we could start to count on it. But again, this piece was heavier than that one. So a lot of customers wanted the old one because this new one was heavier. However, this did have some cool attributes. It looked neat. It had this cool triangular, lightweight little pattern inside. It didn't have quite as much adjustment, but we didn't, by this time, need all the adjustment we had back in the day. We also integrated in the sway bar mount into this design. That was huge. It really made the sway bar much cleaner mounting, and it was less work for the customer. And so to stay in business, you have to continue growing. You have to be an intelligent manufacturer. All of these progressions are all based around intelligent manufacturing. We learn something, and it's wrong to not do something about it. It's wrong to just sit there and let it be. If we know that we can be better, let's keep going and keep progressing. And that comes in to the new design. The newest design, it's not even in powder coat yet. The first batch is going out probably Monday. This is a mix of a bunch of different ideas that we've learned over the years. I've been doing a lot of work here in the shop on cars. So we don't just design parts, we actually install them and use them. I've been doing, I don't know if you guys notice, every here and there you'll see an exhaust system in our Instagram. And so I'll do a stainless exhaust a couple times a year for specific customers. And it's still a pain in the ass to run exhaust through, even though I designed it for exhaust. This gives us a lot more room for exhaust. The other bonus is, if you're gonna pull a tailpipe to work on something under your car, you just unbolt the center section. It's not a rod-ended center. It's not a rod-ended assembly. It's a rigidly mounted piece. But you can unbolt this, and you can drop your exhaust. You can drop your components that you have inside the car. It leaves, for us, people working on cars, it makes life a ton easier. These are all aspects of intelligent manufacturing. Without us growing and progressing, well, we're gonna cease to be, and that's just not a cool thing. We wanna keep making parts, we wanna keep improving, we wanna keep making our product rad and better. I really don't like mediocrity. When we know that we can do something better, sitting back and just watching it and be like, well, we could have done it, but we didn't. That's BS. So thanks for watching our Panhard Rod Kit video. We're really excited for all these to come out. And yeah, keep driving your car, keep wheeling it. Our customer base is all about driving the crap out of your car, whether it's just on a weekend, whether it's at the track, or you just enjoy working on your car. That's like a big thing too. We want to supply that community and we want to do the best we can. So thanks for everything. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you out there on the road.